Sit down. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to learn about the filtration system by the traditional method and also with the industrial method. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. See, from the ancient era, our ancestors tried to use the pure form of water to avoid being caught by diseases. Okay? Just like cholera, typhoid, and other congestion diseases caused due to impure water intake.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have prepared one such filtration method by using the recycled material available in our home. First is that we are going to use some water which is impure, obviously. Second thing, we are going to use bleach, alum, powered charcoal, sand, and a filtration cloth such like cotton handkerchief and something else like that. Okay. Now we have poured a first layer of cotton straw. Again is a local sand, that is river sand. After that some charcoal, that is actually charcoal. After that some other river sand. Okay. So all these amount are stacked in layer. Almost 6 layers are there. Now we have poured some impure water and we are seeing that the water in a pure crystal clear form is received and dripping by drop by drop. Now this method was already prepared by some industry for rural convenience and we are going to see it on a standard industrial scale. Okay. First is that we have acquired some custom built purification system and this is Pureit, available in all hardware stores and especially in the filtration industry. It's a very basic thing. Now we are going to study about it. First thing we are going to have it a filtration tube. Filtration cup made up of polyurethane or cotton material in force in between them. It's a cup feels purely like paper. Okay. The method is that when you pour water, the sediments and the higher particles, the weighted particles are going to trap inside this cup. Okay. Again, the next process is that all the water intake by the system is stored in this tub. Okay. This tub contains an activated charcoal half hemisphere. The charcoal is in porous form. All the water which is stored inside will drip from this pierce hole. Okay, this will be so you can call it an orifice, a small hole for dripping the water, drip by drip, drop by drop inside this chamber. The next chamber is here. Is a catalytic kind of chamber. It just improvise the water by using it to go through a cartridge made up of bleaching agent, just like calcium chloride. Okay, this calcium chloride has some kind of litmus property which will change its color when used continuously. Okay, this cartridge is spent and that's why we are seeing a red flag here. That is, you cannot drink water from this machine or this apparatus. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now this apparatus is going to drip water inside this tube which will force it to deposit in the bottom chamber.
Yes, sir.
This bottom chamber is going to act from the gravitational pressure of the water from the above container. This will drip out from this last filtration procedure. We are seeing here. This is also a porous filter used to filter the dead bodies of the germs, bacteria, and all other which have been passed through the porous solution, filtration cup, and this chloride cartridge. Okay.
Yes, sir.
From the pressure built up from the above container. The water will uprise from this bottom chamber and will be stored in this crystal clear maybe borosilicate or polyurethane, any kind of material can be used which should not degrade by using water. Okay? Now it is very much useful for any of you to pour the water and drink it safely. This apparatus is cheap, this apparatus is crude, but both have the same sense of water filtration system. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, class.